How to view someone's TikTok profile without them knowing. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok and then click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Now, as you might know, TikTok has this feature that's called profile views. If you clicked on the eye icon at the top right of the screen, you will access the profile views section. And basically, this feature will allow you to see who viewed your profile and also allow others to see that you have viewed their profile. But as you can see right here in the third information, TikTok tells you that only viewers who turned on profile views and viewed your profile in the past 30 days will be shown here, meaning that if the viewers did not turn on their profile views option, they won't be shown even if they viewed your profile. So let's turn this on and let's see another thing. It tells you that everyone who viewed your profile will be shown right here, but also it tells you that only people who turned on profile view history will be shown, meaning if people disable this feature on their account, they won't be shown to you even if they viewed your profile. This will apply to us as well, meaning that if you turned off this feature, you can view other people's profile without them seeing you that you have viewed and visited their profile. As you can see here, it tells you that just like as I said, once you turn this off, you can view other people's profile without them knowing and seeing you. So that was it for this video. That's how you can visit other people's profile on TikTok without them knowing. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.